Good morning class 9. Today in the last video we had discussed about the introduction of chapter 2, that was is matter around us pure, in which we had discussed what is pure substance, what is mixture, what is element. Now today I am going to discuss here the types of elements, that is metal, non-metal and metalloids. Okay? You must have studied the properties of metals and non-metals in the previous class, such as 7th and 8th maybe. Otherwise we'll again start the properties of metals and non-metals. ठीक है? Now what are metals? Basically जब भी हम सोचते हैं what are metals, तो हमारे सामने जो image आती है metals की, that is hard, that is shiny, ठीक है, that is very strong, that would be considered as metal. We have discussed that in till now total 118 elements are discovered, out of which 90 are metals, 22 are non-metals and 6 are metalloids. That means most of the elements found on the earth crust is actually metals. Okay? Now we are starting with the physical properties of metal. The first property of metal is that metals are solid at room temperature. Generally all metals are solid at room temperature, leaving mercury, except mercury. मरकरी इज द ओनली मेटल दैट एग्जिस्ट इन लिक्विड स्टेट. जो आपने देखा होगा वो आप जो थर्मोमीटर यूज करते हैं हम उसके अंदर मरकरी फिल होती है. सो ओनली द मरकरी इज द मेटल दैट एग्जिस्ट इन लिक्विड स्टेट. अदरवाइज ऑल अदर मेटल्स आर सॉलिड एट रूम टेम्परेचर. ठीक है. सेकेंड, द क्वेश्चन, मेटल्स आर हार्ड. Metals are hard. That means metals are very strong because they have very strong force of attraction between the particles. So all metals are generally hard and rigid in nature. But few metals are there that can be cut through knife. अगर आप आयरन को नाइफ से काटोगे it will not be cut. अगर आप गोल्ड को काटोगे it will not be cut. But still few metals are there that can be cut through knife, such as sodium, potassium, cesium, etc. ठीक है. तो अगर ये क्वेश्चन आता है नेम टू मेटल्स दैट कैन बी कट थ्रू नाइफ, दैट इज सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. नेक्स्ट, द मेटल्स आर malleable. What is meant by malleability? Malleability means the property of metal by virtue of which it can be beaten into thin sheets. मतलब अगर आपने आपको एक थिक पीस ऑफ आयरन दिया and I'll tell you to hammer it. Hammer it मतलब उस पे आप हथौड़ा मारो. So you will keep on hammering it and it will be converted to, it will become thinner, thinner, thinner. It will be beaten into very thin sheet. So metals are malleable, that can be beaten into very thin sheets. Two most malleable metals are gold and platinum. Even silver, आपने देखा होगा पहले जो स्वीट्स आती थी, स्वीट्स के ऊपर एक सिल्वर वर्क लग के आता था. That is the silver sheet. That means it can be thinner than the paper. ठीक है. So metals are malleable, they can be beaten into thin sheets. Next, metals are ductile. Ductility means they can be drawn into thin wires. मतलब metals की stretchability इतनी ज़्यादा होगी that from very less amount, that is 200 milligram of silver can be used to drawn 200 meter of wires. That means metals are ductile, they can be drawn into wires and those wires only we use for the wiring of electricity in our houses. ठीक है. So it can be drawn into very thin wire. And again most ductile metals are gold, silver, platinum. ठीक है. Next, metals are generally good conductors. All metals are good conductors. The reason ये होता है that all metals have free electrons present in them. So all metals are generally good conductor of heat and electricity. ठीक है. Best conductor होता है silver. And the second best is copper. So we use copper wire in our houses, not silver, because silver will be expensive. So all metals are generally good conductors of heat and electricity. The next is metals have high melting and boiling point. Reason? Because metals are hard and strong. Hard and strong का मतलब है they must have very strong force of attraction between the particles. And if the force of attraction is strong, so to break that force of attraction, large amount of heat would be required. That is why they have high melting and boiling points. The next is metals are sonorous. Sonorous का मतलब होता है when the metals are stuck with the metallic object, they produces ringing sound. आप घर में अपनी कोई चम्मच से प्लेट बजा के देखो, it produces a ringing sound that can be heard so far as well. So metals are sonorous, they produces ringing sound when stuck with the metallic objects. ठीक है, तो these are the physical properties of metals. Example of metals: iron, silver, gold, platinum, sodium, potassium, lithium. These all are considered as metals. यहाँ पे few question, few exceptions are asked. जैसे हमने आपसे बताया that metals are hard. Metals have high melting and boiling point. ठीक है, but कुछ metals ऐसी होती हैं जिनका melting point बहुत कम होता है, such as cesium and gallium. सीजियम और गैलियम को आप सिर्फ अपने हाथ में रखोगे तो वो मेल्ट हो जाएगी. Why? Because cesium का melting point होता है 29 and the gallium is 30 degrees Celsius. So two metals that can melt on our palm is cesium and gallium. Two metals that can be cut through knife: sodium, potassium. The liquid metal: mercury. ठीक है, best conductor: silver. Poor conductor: lead. Lead is a metal but it is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. तो ये हो गए कुछ exceptions and some properties of metal. Here you can see I have made a chart for you here. Metals are solid, metals are hard, metals are malleable, they are ductile, they are good conductors, they have high melting and boiling point, and they are sonorous. Now we compare the properties of metals with the non-metals. We have discussed in the metal that metals are generally solid. लेकिन नॉन मेटल्स एग्जिस्ट इन ऑल थ्री फिजिकल स्टेट्स: सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस. सॉलिड एग्जांपल: कार्बन, सल्फर, फास्फोरस. दे ऑल वुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज सॉलिड. लिक्विड: द ओनली लिक्विड नॉन मेटल इज ब्रोमाइन. एंड द गैसेस नॉन मेटल्स आर ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. मेटल्स आर हार्ड. Metals are hard and strong, but non-metals are brittle in nature. Brittle का मतलब होता है if you will hammer it, it will break down into pieces and can be finally converted to powder. So they are brittle in nature. Third, metals are malleable. They can be beaten into thin sheet. But non-metal को अगर हम hammer कर रहे हैं तो वो टूट के powder में convert हो रहा है, तो हम उससे sheets तो बना नहीं सकते. So non-metals are non-malleable and non-ductile. They cannot be beaten into thin sheet and they cannot be drawn into thin wires. The next is metals are good conductors. Why? Because they have free electrons. Non-metals are bad conductor. Why? क्योंकि उसका reason ये होता है because they have less electrons present in them. They have tendency to gain electron. So they are generally bad conductors of electricity. But there's one more exception here: graphite. Graphite is a non-metal but still it is a good conductor. Next is metals have high melting and boiling point but non-metals have low melting and boiling point. Reason? Because they have weak force of attraction between the particle, so they can be easily melted. ठीक है? Metals are sonorous but non-metals are non-sonorous. ठीक है? So like this only you will write the properties of metals and non-metals, and you will write the exceptions and the examples of these metals and non-metals in your copy. ठीक है? The next is the examples of non-metals are oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine. These all are the examples. Carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. These are the examples of non-metals. ठीक है? You can see the properties here, and then you can write in the same way in your book. What are metalloids? ठीक है? Metalloids are those elements that shows the properties of both metals and non-metals. Those are called metalloids. Examples: boron, silicon, arsenic, antimony, germanium. These are some examples of metalloids. तो ये हो गए आपके three types of elements: metals, non-metals and metalloids. ठीक है? In the next video I will send you that what is meant by compound and what is meant by mixture. So that's all for today.